Ariana was no ordinary designer. Her journey into fashion was as unconventional as her designs. Born in a small, quiet town, she had spent most of her childhood surrounded by fabrics. Her mother was a seamstress who worked long hours at home, and Ariana often watched, mesmerized by the transformation of plain cloth into garments. It wasn't just the sewing that fascinated her, but the choices, the colors, the textures, the patterns. Ariana saw beauty where others saw only the mundanes. At school, she doodled dresses in her notebooks, much to the dismay of her teachers, while her classmates sketched houses or landscapes. Ariana drew gowns that dripped elegance and coats that could stop traffic. By the time she was a teenager, she had a vision of style that was uniquely hers. She had an eye for blending contrasting elements, rough leather with soft lace, bold reds with pastel blues, traditional cuts with futuristic silhouettes. After graduating high school, she took the bold step to move to the city, a world away from her sleepy town. She enrolled in a fashion institute, where she quickly realized the industry wasn't as glamorous as she had imagined. The competition was fierce, and everyone seemed to have their own genius. It was easy to feel lost in the noise, to question whether she had what it took. But Ariana thrived under pressure. She poured her soul into every design, spending sleepless nights drafting, cutting, and sewing. Her big break came during her final year, when she entered a local fashion competition. Her collection was unlike anything the judges had seen, a mix of Victorian elegance with a modern, edgy twist. The fabrics she used were unconventional, recycled from discarded materials, yet they felt luxurious. Each piece told a story of transformation, much like Ariana's own journey. When she took the stage to showcase her work, the audience was stunned into silence. Then came the applause, thunderous and overwhelming. Ariana won the competition,